Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond the Trails. Today we are heading out on a scenic day trip to explore Eastern Ontario's beautiful countryside. Our final destination is the stunning Sandbanks Provincial Park. Our first stop was a charming wines tasting in Prince Edward County. Great vibes, delicious local wine, and the perfect way to kick off the day. Next, we visited the iconic lake on the mountain near the town of Picton. This unique lake sits on a high limestone ridge above empty valleys, almost like a mysterious inland sea. Despite its elevation and proximity to other waterways, the lake has no visible inlets or outlets, making its water source and drainage largely unknown. This place is ideal for quick photo stops, short picnics, and peaceful breaks. Located roughly 200 meters above the Bay of Quinte, but it can be easily reached by car and walking trails with parking close by. We spent some leisure time soaking in those breathtaking panoramic views. As we continued on, we passed along beautiful waterfront homes, so we enjoyed the charm of this scenic route. Finally, we arrived at Sandbanks Provincial Park. You need a day-use vehicle permit to enter into this provincial park, so we strongly recommend purchasing it in advance online to skip the entrance line. We spent the afternoon at the long beach, wide, spacious sands, and plenty of space for you to enjoy even on busy days. We had a picnic lunch right on the beach and enjoyed a lot of time just playing in the water. The water was warm enough to stay long in the water. Sandbanks is huge. There are several beaches connected by scenic drives, so you can just explore different spots depending on your mood. On our way back home through summer gold farmlands, the countryside was full of life. Rows of crops, swaying fields, and open skies. Oh, it's beautiful. We made a final stop in Wellington, grabbed a coffee, and relaxed by a lakeside, teaming up with swans and its fluffy babies. I even talked to the mama swan, and she was saying it's not easy as it looked to be a mom of 8 babies. I get you, mom. We were just mesmerized by how precious these creatures are. This was an unforgettable moment we really wanted to share. Thanks so much for joining our day trip adventure. Make sure to hit subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep wondering.